This is the best cheap mic for YouTube, and the video starts right after the intro. You can get the mic for less than $20. I'll leave the links in the description. And by the way, the audio in this video was recorded by the mic to let you know how does it sound like. So everyone has been talking about this mic, and it makes sense because it's really cheap and really good. The mic that I'm talking about is of course the BOYA by-M1. For me it sounds much better than many more expensive microphones from fancy famous brands. It records within frequency range between 65 Hz and 18 kHz and with a sensitivity of -30 decibel. Once you open the box, you will find a nice leather bag with a little touch of luxury. And in this bag you will find the mic with a huge 6 meters long cable, which is a big advantage of course, especially when being used with a DSLR camera. You will also get a 6.3mm jack adapter, a lapel clip, a foam windscreen to reduce noise from air or wind, and a battery. You can choose from two modes of recording, whether you use it with a camera or with a smartphone. And if you want to use it with a PC, you should pick the camera mode. In some cases you might need a TRRS to TRS 3.5mm audio adapter to work just fine on a PC. But I have tried it out of the box on my PC and it worked just well. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give me the thumb up and to subscribe to my channel and to click the bell to get my post notifications. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.